Domenico101MMA.com.
Hi, this is Steve from Domenico 101 MMA, and we're with Brett
Hlavacek.
Hlavacek. Sorry. He's fighting at Lion Fight 33 Friday night tomorrow, November 18th. And we're going to talk a little bit to Brett about his training, a little bit about he's fighting Chip Pollard, who's from Boston.
Yeah.
And just if you have any feelings, you know anything about him. But first, I want to say nice to meet you. And the last time I seen you, you were in the ring here fighting fighting Brad Mountain, and it was a nice war. And,
it's good.
And he won most of that war coming at the end of the fight.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you grinding that one out, and now you're back to again. So tell us a little bit about where you train and where you're from.
You know, I'm from New York City, originally from South Jersey, but New York City I trained with Phil Nurse at the Watt, and I've been there for the last 10, 11 years, teaching and training out of there. And, you know, just pretty much, you know, I fight and train full-time at the gym in New York City. And my last fight with Brad Mountain was here in September, and things went well, so I signed a multi-fight contract with Lion Fight. So I'll be working exclusively with Lion Fight in North America, so that's good. And, you know, I'm prepared to, you know, go to battle with Chip here Friday night. Seems like a very nice guy, and I know he has a big background in MMA. He has about, you know, the same amount of experience in MMA professionally as I do in Muay Thai, so I don't look down on that. I think that's a good thing for him. I mean, that's still experience in the ring, no matter how you cut it. But, you know, I think the fight's going to be pretty even, except for, you know, I've been doing this for a long time, and, you know, I just think my experience and my ring IQ are going to kind of come out in the better end of the fight.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of that in the fight with Brad.
Sure.
You were very calm and very. Where did you turn? And you were Muay Thai mania in that fight.
Yeah.
I mean, that was a great, exciting fight, back and forth. So,
Thank you.
And I was very impressed because I seen you at weigh-ins, and then I seen you there, and you looked like a totally different guy. I was like, holy cow! So, and then I was like, wow, this is, you know. And then you took right advantage of it. So I'm glad you have you signed a multi-year deal with Lion Fight, so we're going to see you more.
For sure.
Now, this is your second fight under them?
Oh, no, this will be my first fight.
Your first
fight under my new contract.
Under new contract, but you fought with them.
This would be my third fight with Lion Fight. I fought Cyrus Washington about 3 years ago, and then obviously I fought Brad Mountain in September.
Was that fight the first one here also, or was that in another?
No, both fights have been in Foxwoods.
Oh, nice.
That was at the old ballroom where they used to have it, and that was my first one in the theater here. So.
And how'd it feel fighting in here for the first time compared to
this? This is much cooler. It's a little more intimate. It reminds me of the way it's set up. It's like the Garden, the theater in MSG in New York City.
Yeah. So not a bad seat. I mean, anyway you're here, the action's packed. You know?
Exactly. Yeah, for sure.
And sometimes, you know, the seats up there are sometimes the best seats because you see everything.
For sure.
But all right. So I want to let you put your fluids in. Get your, you know, you just had weigh-in, so now you gotta gain that weight,
regroup, and get ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, and just settle down and let it all go out tomorrow. But
it was a pleasure finally meeting you.
Yeah,
you know,
I know it.
Internet presence, Facebook, all that
social media people. That's how that's how I meet all these guys.
I see some of these people. I'm like, I know you.
Yes, exactly.
But I don't know you. But
so, and I say to all fighters in all combat sports, get on social media. Even if you don't talk much, get on there, show your face, because people share it. And, you know, it just takes on a life of its own. So I just want to say thanks for coming on. And, you know, we'll chat on Facebook here and there. And I'll see you tomorrow on Access TV Live right here.
Yep.
So from Domenico 101 MMA, I'm going to let him say his own name because I screwed up at the end.
Brett Hlavacek.
Fighting for Lion Fight 33 tomorrow night, November 18th, live on Access TV. You take care, people.
Take care.